Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stops to your ride on the Uber application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the page, tap on ride. And here you have the ways to save with Uber section, and click on add the stop or 5, click on request a ride, then you should set your pickup location, then tap on done, and here you can add the stop on this map. Select the stop that you would like to add, and here you can add the stops. Feel free to add as many, up to 5 as you want to, and then click on the done button. Here you can see the route on the map, including your destination, departure point with all of the stops. Then you should select the confirm UberX saver section, tap on confirm pickup, then you should select the payment method that finalize the process of booking. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.